So now we will continue with Pedilite Industries STD. Okay, put on a chart on weekly. So I think its IPO has been done around 1999, around this level, around 30 rupees. Okay, so the first time it's made a high around here. You can see the high has been made around 99, around 39 rupees. Okay, on 1999. Okay, here, and mark that high. Okay, just mark that high. I think net has been gone. Okay, just a second. Yes, yeah, okay. Just mark that I just zoom it. So I will discuss from here onwards. Okay. So here you can see to time tested level. Okay, coming to that level, and here you can see it is coming down. Okay. After that, here you can see, in case on that time if someone entered, they took at the SL below here. Okay. In case here you can see someone if entered here, close, but it is not closed above perfectly. But we will try because breakout. Someone will take the SL below here. Okay. Okay, let's discuss. After that, here you can see a massive sell-off has been gained. From here around it's touched around the 7 rupees mark. Okay, so I will just mark this level. Okay, so after that, here you can see consolidation breakout level, coming to that level, and again here you getting a breakout. Okay, so on this level you can see on this I just draw here you see you getting a breakout. Okay, so entering here you can put the stop loss below. This is a risky trade because bottom entry. So usually I didn't suggest this type of trade, but I am just teaching, so I am suggesting it. So this is a risky entry, so touching also you can enter here. When it is retest, you can enter stop loss would have to be below the recent single. So that is the recent thing here. This is the recent. So if you here you are entering, you can book a 1:3 target. You easily getting 1:3, not 1:3, 1:10 also. So usually you can book this wave, okay, as a target, this wave. So this have to be your target, okay. Or you can see here is high also. So just look on the price action also. Here you can see high. Just keep the high, extend the high, okay, and you can book this as a target. Okay, just book it there, and no entry will come. Okay. After that, okay, here you can see you can book here target. After that, here you can see just going now there or here onwards, just taking some time, and around I think just if I calculate the rate range here, it is came around 2005 October 3 level. It is came around 44 level, and 2006 onwards around 2 years it's just waited there. Okay. So after that you getting some steady move. So if you you maybe just you have doubt that here are we entering, here you can see here also it is retesting, this level also breaking. Okay, so here you can enter, but the quantity will be lesser. Okay, because that level also breaker, because it is directly breaker. Here you can, okay, it is already 2 times tested level, but it is directly breaker. Okay, so it will confusing market scenario because directly breaken. So because it is rallying from the bottom around, if I calculate the bottom rallying from around 7 rupees and rallied around 41, the 7 has been around 5 times return has been given. So then entering this current level, it's a little bit risky, so we will wait to a perfect retest and we will try. Okay, so that's my view. Here we can see maybe you will confuse as this as the retest. Okay, if you're trying this closing above, we will try, you will getting, but just wait for a here you can see this it's a large pattern, so let's just wait for a 10 or 5% move. Okay, from here not 5 50-60% move to on higher level, or 50, at least 50% move to higher level, and then just wait for retest. So okay, this retest also you can try it, but in directly coming the quantity will be again lesser. Okay, here quantity we have to be again lesser because we don't know, it can be sharp sell off also. So here quantity will be 20%, and if you here entering, quantity will be 50%. Okay, so if entering here also you getting some target putting the stop loss below the recent swing, whereas the recent swing is the recent swing. So if putting the stop loss below here, you may be getting the target, isn't it? Here you can see you getting a good target there also. After that, here you can see from there it just climbed and again retested this level and just rallied. Okay, but we will book here. Okay, if getting 1-3, we will book here. Okay, more than 1-3, you can hold what's your run. If you this time just long position I will create here also. Here you can see if you ended here and putting the stop loss below the recent swing, where the recent second. So where the recent swing? Yeah. So putting the SL below here. What is the SL? Around 10 rupees. Okay. What is the risk you get at here? You can see 10 rupees 60 gone. Okay. So that is the okay. So that is the risk reward getting on this type of stocks. Okay. So I don't know these companies, how the fundamental things. I am just discussing from the top and from the beginning from technical basis. Okay. So if you ended here, you may be getting a good risk reward. Just book it on 1-3 and just leave it. After that, it is coming here, and it is coming here. So more time touching this level, same level has been multiple time touching. That means the level has been weakening. Okay. So it is multiple time touching and it's going up. So we will not enter that trade, but it is going a long way. Okay. So I don't know. I think the fundamentally it's good also that time. I didn't know or any that time around 2008 level future perspective company. I don't know. I have to look on fundamental. I didn't know what happened. So on there a massive rally has been occurred. Here you can see if you didn't get, we didn't enter this rally because already it's given, but here a W pattern is creating on the support level. So maybe pattern this you can try, but I didn't know how this works on a support level pattern. So I have to study on that. Then I will just upload another video on that. So after you getting a sharp move, okay. So after that you didn't getting any entry levels also. Okay, higher level में एक entry बन रहा है, यहाँ पर एक pattern बन रहा है. If you just join like the bottom and top like this, then you getting a pattern here, isn't it? And if you entering this pattern, you may be getting the good move. Okay, here you entering stop loss where we that's the fantastic question, where you will put the SL. It is directly breaking. So here you can see 1 2 3. Okay, 3 times tested level. Okay, so it is directly breaking. So यूजली क्या होता है कि ये अच्छी ब्रेकआउट होती है, लेकिन अगर ऐसा नहीं होता तो हम कहाँ पर स्टॉप लॉस लगाएंगे? हियर यू कैन सी हियर नो कंसोलिडेशन आल्सो गेटिंग. सो वी इट्स a little bit risky. So we will put the SL below 50%. Okay, so this pattern. So where is the 50% of this pattern? Below here. On below here we will put the SL. If I just draw like this, below this here we will put the SL. Okay, why? Because usually if it is a good pattern, we didn't come below this 50%. Okay, so we will put the SL. We will enter 50% of the overall quantity, because you can see here what a move is coming. Okay, full quantity. This is a large pattern, so enter full quantity here also. Make sure that risk reward is maintained. 100% of the quantity you can enter, but because it is a large pattern, so you can enter full quantity, and risk reward is maintained. So long position, if you creating here, if I created a long position when this candle came, stop loss would have been here, isn't it? So don't wait for just touching itself enter. Okay, don't wait for closing. That is a little bit risky. Okay, 20 to 24 points, 20. So breeze space you can calculate 5 points here or 2 points. Okay, and 20 points, 40, 60 or 80. 1 to 3 is getting here on isn't it? So if you want, you can ride. Rest of that is depending upon you. Okay, on higher level में फिर से एक pattern बन रहा है. If you draw like this, यहाँ पर एक pattern बन रहा है. So if you want, you can try that also. Okay, listen guys. Yeah. So in this pattern here you can see. here you can see if you entered this directly, because here also you enter directly full percentage you entered, you maybe get 50 we get 50 percentage low, we will put the SL, isn't it? But it is hitting. Okay, here you can see it is hitting. So that trade has been hitting, so we will not try again, so let it go, no problem. And after that here you can try on your risk. Okay, I am not, here you can see again 3 times the same level. Here you trapped. Okay, you getting it just 20 point 30 point SL, we will exit that trade. Okay, but again you can see same resistance as creating and a higher level pattern also you getting. So so first time here you entered 100 quantity, it's a large pattern, but here the pattern size is smalling, then we will only entering 50% of the quantity will be better. Okay, after 50% again quantity, here you lost 50% of the quantity. Firstly you entered, then that 50%, then 25% here enter quantity, 25%. Okay, stop loss would have been below here, because here a second is getting, so below stop loss just brace space also you can get. So long position will created here on this candle, or here maybe you will get, and stop loss would have been here 20 points, book 60 points target, 163 is getting. Okay. So after that no entry is coming. Here we will not try. Here you getting a perfect pattern. So it is below, depending upon you, if you want to try you can try. And where is yeah, and lower level में फिर से एक pattern बन रहा है. यहाँ पर you can see फिर से एक pattern बन रहा है. If you entering you, that also you getting target. Okay, and here I will not try. Here a massive sell is coming, you can try, but this trades depending upon your risk. Okay, because it is, you can see it is water riding is happening from bottom to top. That will risk, the higher it is gone, that will risky, because retracement is isn't coming. Okay, that is a little bit risky. So if you want you can try. I am not recommending, because stop loss also where we will put the SL below here has been booking SL. So I will maybe you can try, that's your opinion. So here you can try. Okay, multiple hitting is getting, multiple stop losses also been taken. Also here you can see some not put, what is the name, some sellers. Okay, some sellers, I just go to options. Okay, some sellers have been trapped also, and you can try here. Okay, is it guys here coming here you can try. Stop loss would have been below here. Okay, here you getting a pattern, so would have been below here stop loss, because here you getting a consolidation. If consolidation is getting not getting, we will put the SL below. But if consolidation is getting, why we will put the SL below? Okay, then we will put the SL below the consolidation. Long position will be created here when the closing below, putting the SL below 140 point is the SL. So depending upon that you have to, or 150 point calculate, 300 is the 1:2, 450 is 1:3. Okay, for 500 point you can book, that is depending upon your, but quantity lessing. Okay, the higher you come, the quantity will be lessing, because retracement doesn't happen. Lessing. Okay, and after that, after this, okay, I think that here also you can see. Okay, so here also if you entering, but is the road quantity will be less. Okay, if you entering, long position will be created here, and it's happened long position, and stop loss would have been below here. Okay, below recency. So already you getting around 1:2. Okay, so I don't know, I didn't know the company's fundamental things. Okay, so I will upload a series after this series. Okay, a full study of fundamental things. Okay, then I will discuss the things of fundamental, what have to be looked on, and don't be looked on, what things don't have to be looked on. Okay. So that's stuff I will discuss on upcoming series. Okay. Now I will just continue with this series. Okay, thank you guys.